Hey guys, what's up? This is Palak Garg. I'm a chemistry honors graduate from Hansraj College, Delhi University, and today I have brought to you important MCQs of chemistry questions that were asked in RAS, SSC, CGL, CHSL, Railways, UPSC, UPPCS. So, let's start today's session. Which of the following substances undergoes sublimation on heating? This is a very important question with respect to UPSC as well. So, I think you should know the answer of this question, and you must have studied in the elementary classes like 10th, 9th, 10th. The answer is, do you know anyone? The answer is all of them. The three substances mentioned here all are sublimation prone, and that's why the answer is 7th, that is all of them. The next question is, which among the following is known as quick lime? Also, this is a very important question which is asked in CGL, especially in CHSL, and the answer is first, that is CaO. Oil of Mirabane is the most common name of which among the following? This is one of the important questions, and there are various oils that are asked, but this is one of the important. So the answer is, any idea? The answer is fourth, nitrobenzene. Water at 4 degrees centigrade has, this is the most repeated question in SSC in various forms. So sometimes they ask water at 0 degree. Now they have asked water at 4 degree. So the answer is, any idea? The answer is, second, maximum density. Graphite, carbon and diamonds are, this is very easy question and you must have studied in the basic elementary classes. These are what? This is allotropes. Allotropes. Which among the following happens in an oxidation reaction? So let me explain you what are oxidation reactions. Oxidation reactions are those reactions where electrons are lost. Occurs a loss of electrons, and hydrogenation reaction are those reduction reaction are those reaction where there occurs a gain of electrons. So the answer is very simple. Electrons are lost. Deep sea divers use mixture of, this is a very very popular question of SSC, and the answer is helium oxygen. The continuous random motion of colloidal particles is called, this is asked in various examinations in various forms. So it is also mentioned in the NCERT books. The answer is Brownian movement. Solubility of CaO, अभी ये question आया था पहले. It was I think second or third question in my series. And when we dissolve CaO, that is quick lime in water, तो जो पानी होता है, जो वाटर होता है, वो गर्म हो जाता है. तो ये ऐसी कौन सी रिएक्शन होती है? तो इन रिएक्शन जिसमें जैसे हीट रिलीज़ होती है, एनर्जी रिलीज़ होती है, उसे कहते हैं एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस. सो ये हमने लैब में परफॉर्म किया, आपने भी किया होगा 10th तक. When sunlight passes through the window of your house, dust particles scatter the light, making the path of the light visible. ये तो आपकी हर जगह आपको देखने को मिलता होगा. अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें तो आपके सराउंडिंग्स में आपको हर रोज़ ये जो इफ़ेक्ट है ये आपको देखने को मिलता होगा. तो आंसर है वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, एंड आंसर इज टिंडल इफेक्ट. सो थैंक यू, एंड अगर आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. आई विल ब्रिंग सम मोर न्यू सेशंस टुमारो. सो signing off. Peace out.